Imagine waking up every morning knowing you can make $200 a day from the comfort of your own home. No fancy skills, no expensive equipment, just simple tasks anyone can do. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a full step-by-step tutorial on how to start earning money online with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to boost your income or work from home full-time, this guide will show you exactly how to get started today. Stick around and let's turn your free time into cash. Start making money online by completing micro-tasks. Small, quick tasks like data entry, transcribing audio, categorizing images, or doing basic research. These tasks take minutes but add up over time. Microtasking is incredibly flexible. Work whenever you have spare minutes. Popular platforms include Amazon Mechanical Turk, where you can choose tasks and get paid. Clickworker offers similar tasks and pays via PayPal. It's a great way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Be consistent and you'll see your earnings grow. Next up, let's talk about one of the simplest ways to earn money online: taking surveys. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback on their products and services. They need to know what people like you think, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. That's where survey sites come in. Two of the most popular and reputable survey sites out there are Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Swagbucks is a rewards platform that offers a variety of ways to earn points, including taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. You can then redeem those points for gift cards or cash via PayPal. Survey Junkie, on the other hand, focuses specifically on paid surveys. They have a huge database of surveys available, and they pay you in cash or gift cards once you've reached a certain threshold. The key to maximizing your earnings with surveys is to sign up for multiple platforms and fill out your profile accurately. This will ensure that you get matched with surveys that are relevant to your interests and demographics. Another tip is to be honest and thoughtful with your answers. So if you're looking for a simple and straightforward way to make some extra cash, taking online surveys is definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's move on to another fantastic way to make money online: getting paid to test websites and apps. Companies are always looking for ways to improve their websites and apps. They want to make sure they're user-friendly, engaging, and ultimately, effective at converting visitors into customers. That's where website and app testing platforms come in. Two of the leading platforms in this space are User Testing and TryMyUI. Both platforms offer a similar experience. You sign up, complete your profile, and then start browsing through available testing opportunities. Tests typically involve completing a set of tasks on a website or app while speaking your thoughts out loud. The best part? You get paid for every test you complete. Payments vary depending on the platform and the length and complexity of the test, but you can generally expect to earn around $10 to $20 per test. The key to maximizing your earnings with website and app testing is to be active on multiple platforms and to check for new testing opportunities regularly. Some platforms even have a rating system, so the more tests you complete and the higher your rating, the more likely you are to get invited to participate in higher-paying tests. So, if you're comfortable sharing your opinions and you're looking for a fun and engaging way to make money online, website and app testing is definitely worth exploring. Become a virtual assistant. Your skills, your schedule, your income. Virtual assistants, or VAs, are in high demand right now. Businesses are realizing the value of outsourcing tasks to skilled professionals. As a VA, you can offer a wide range of services. Some common VA tasks include social media management, email marketing, and customer service. The beauty of virtual assistants is its incredible flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose your clients. Fiverr and Upwork are great platforms to find VA gigs. Freelance data entry, simple tasks, consistent income. Alright, let's talk about another great option for those of you who prefer straightforward, repetitive work: freelance data entry. Businesses across every industry rely on accurate and organized data. They need people to enter that data into spreadsheets, databases, and other systems. The great thing about freelance data entry is that it's a skill that can be learned quickly, and there's always a high demand for reliable data entry professionals. You can find freelance data entry jobs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Indeed, and Monster. When applying for freelance data entry jobs, it's important to highlight your attention to detail, your typing speed and accuracy, and your ability to meet deadlines. Freelance data entry might not be the most exciting job, but it's a great option for those who prefer routine tasks and want a reliable source of income. Plus, it can be a great way to build a foundation as a freelancer and potentially branch out into other areas of expertise down the line. Bonus tip: cashback and rewards apps. Earn while you spend. As a bonus tip, I want to share a super easy way to earn some extra cash without even putting in too much effort with cashback and rewards apps. Think about it. You're already spending money on things like groceries, gas, and online purchases. Why not get rewarded for it? Cashback and rewards apps give you a percentage of your purchases back, either in the form of cash, gift cards, or discounts. Two of my favorites are Rakuten and Ibotta. Rakuten is a cashback website and browser extension that partners with thousands of online retailers. Ibotta, on the other hand, is a mobile app that focuses on grocery cashback. The key to maximizing your earnings with cashback and rewards apps is to use them consistently for all of your eligible purchases. Start earning today. And there you have it. 6 ways to start earning $200 a day online with simple tasks that anyone can do. Whether it's microtasks, surveys, website testing, or virtual assistants, there's something here for everyone. Remember, consistency is key. By combining a few of these methods, you'll reach your income goals faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Mindset, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.